Hello and welcome, everyone. It's a beautiful morning, and what better way to start our day than with a moment of mindfulness? I'm here to guide you through some simple yet profound techniques to kickstart your day with positivity and intention. Let's create a morning that not only wakes up our body, but also awakens our mind and spirit. So, how do we begin? First, find a comfortable spot where you can sit undisturbed for a few minutes. This could be anywhere: your favorite chair, a spot on the floor, or even sitting up in bed. The key is to be in a space where you feel at ease. Morning mindfulness is about greeting the new day with a sense of gratitude and purpose. It's a practice that helps us set the tone for the day ahead. It's not just meditation, it's a commitment to starting our day grounded and centered. Let's start with a simple breathing exercise. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in, slowly, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Feel the air leaving your body, taking with it any tension or stress. Do this a few times. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils, the rise and fall of your chest. Breathing mindfully brings us to the present moment, the here and now. With our mind and body aligned, let's set our intention for the day. Ask yourself, what is my purpose today? What do I wish to achieve? It doesn't have to be a big goal. It could be as simple as wanting to be kinder, to listen more, or to be patient. Setting an intention acts like a compass, guiding our actions and thoughts throughout the day. Now let's shift our focus to gratitude. Think of 3 things you are grateful for this morning. It could be the warmth of your bed, the sound of birds chirping outside, or the opportunity to experience a new day. Gratitude fills our hearts with positivity and opens our minds to possibilities. Next, let's do a quick body scan. Starting from the top of your head, slowly move your attention down through your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, but don't judge or try to change anything. Just observe. This practice connects our mind with our body and helps us become aware of our physical state. Visualization is a powerful tool. Imagine your day unfolding in the best possible way. See yourself handling challenges calmly, experiencing happy moments, and achieving your set intention. Visualization prepares our subconscious for what we desire to manifest. Let's incorporate some gentle movements. Stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, or gently twist your torso. Mindful movement wakes up our body and gets the energy flowing. Remember, mindfulness is not just mental, it involves our physical self too. Mindfulness doesn't end with this session. As you go about your morning routine, brushing your teeth, taking a shower, or having breakfast, stay present. Notice the textures, the smells, the tastes. Be fully involved in each activity. This is a practice of mindfulness in action. As we conclude this session, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Hopefully, you feel more centered, more in tune with yourself, and ready to embrace the day. Remember, every morning is an opportunity to reset, to start anew. It's not just about what we do in these few minutes of mindfulness, but how we carry this sense of awareness and peace throughout our day. Thank you for joining me in this morning mindfulness session. I encourage you to practice these techniques daily. With time, you'll discover the transformative power of starting your day with mindfulness.